Number 10, what is the sum of the perimeters of these two squares? Okay, well, when we're looking for the sum, we know that we're going to have to add them up together to figure out what the sum is. But first, we need to figure out what the perimeter is. Now, perimeter, remember, is length plus width plus width. Okay, and also if you have a square, and we do, all sides are equal, we could do length times 4. Or side times 4. It doesn't really matter because they're both the same length and width. So if for this small square, if this side is 29, then we know all sides are going to be 29. And if this side is 38, then we know all sides are going to be 38. Okay, so let's try to figure out what the perimeters are. Now, I like to work smarter, not harder. So I'm going to multiply 29 times 4 because I have 4 groups of 29. And even though we have to add all the sides, we can multiply and make this easier for us because they're all the same. It would be the same as 29 plus 29 plus 29 plus 29. It's the same thing. But I like to multiply because it's easier for me. Now that would be the smaller square. Then the larger square is 38. Now I could do 38 plus 38 plus 38 plus 38 if I wanted to. But I like to work smarter, not harder. So I'm going to do 38 times 4 because I have 4 groups of 38. Okay, so 4 times 9 is 36. Drop my 6, carry my 3. 4 times 2 is 8, 9, 10, 11. 116 is the perimeter for the first square. And then I'm going to multiply 38 times 4. 4 times 8 is 32. Drop my 2, carry my 3. 4 times 3 is 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. So these are the perimeters of both of my squares. But remember, the question is asking us, what is the sum? The sum is when you add all of the sides together and then you add both of those sides, or both of those perimeters up. So I'm going to do 116 plus 152. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 1 is 6. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So the sum of both of the perimeters, if I were to put those two together, my answer would be 268. Very good.